Let's get to the next one. What's the difference between low quality, older shapewear versus high quality? I think this is a phenomenal question. So since I have 3 low quality, this is like so flimsy. This reminds me of like a waist trainer, but this is, I want to say this is from either Walmart or Target. I'm not going to say which one, but I think it was only like $20. It's like a shirt, literally. And you see how just easily bent I can just maneuver it. The ones that are high quality is a little bit more stiffer because it has to really sculpt. It's really sculpting your body. It's really accentuating your body, not changing it. It's sculpting what you already have and making it very smooth and clean lines with your body. So if you have that bodycon dress that's a long sleeve, and again, you want to flatten that stomach and kind of just tighten up those thighs and perk up the butt, there are shapewears that do that. They have like the full body that really just snatch the stomach, perk up the breasts, and do what it needs to do with the thighs. You got to know what problems you are solving, all right? So when it comes to older shapewear, like the older good shapewear, it's going to start deteriorating, like the stiffness, like I mentioned. I know when I did a closet clean, someone had very old shapewear and it wasn't very effective. The stiffness was not there. It was kind of just flimsy. It was just very flimsy. It was like I want to say like it turned into the low quality type of shapewear. So that is what it's like. Let me see. We're going to do one more. I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope you guys are in learning. And yes, I'm on camera. Definitely comment if you have any more misconceptions. I was thinking about doing underwear as well. I feel like underwear is very not thought about. It kind of just goes over women's minds, but I think it's very necessary to kind of just talk about that as well, especially since we are in a very hyper visual type of environment. You just never know who's going to be taking pictures, who's going to be doing B-rolls, when you're going to be viral, and X, Y, and Z.